In Gainesville, outdoor living is a way of life. From relaxing evenings on the patio to family barbecues and gatherings with friends, your backyard is an extension of your home. One of the easiest ways to enhance that experience is by upgrading your patio doors. More than just an entryway, new patio doors can dramatically transform the look, comfort, and functionality of your outdoor living space. Here's how they make a difference for Gainesville homeowners. Seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. New patio doors provide a smooth transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Sliding glass doors offer wide, uninterrupted views and effortless operation. French doors add classic charm while opening wide to connect your living room to the patio. Folding or multi-panel doors create a true indoor-outdoor living experience by opening an entire wall to the outside. These designs make your home feel more open and welcoming, encouraging you to spend more time enjoying Florida's natural beauty. Brighter, more inviting interiors. Large glass panels in modern patio doors bring in abundant natural light, making your home feel bigger and brighter. Daylight benefits. Natural light improves mood and reduces the need for artificial lighting. Energy-efficient glass keeps your home cool by blocking harmful UV rays while still letting in sunshine. Better views. Enjoy your backyard landscaping, pool, or garden without stepping outside. For Gainesville homeowners, this means a brighter home without the added heat or glare of the Florida sun. Improved energy efficiency. Older patio doors often have poor seals and thin glass that let in drafts, humidity, and heat. New patio doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, offering double or triple pane glass to minimize heat transfer. Low E coatings to reflect heat while letting light through. Tight weather seals to keep out moisture and drafts. These upgrades reduce strain on your HVAC system, helping you save money on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Enhanced home security. Your patio doors should provide easy access, but not for unwanted visitors. Modern designs come with advanced security features, multi-point locking systems for stronger protection. Tempered or laminated glass that's harder to break. Sturdy frames built from materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum for added durability. With these enhancements, you can relax knowing your home and family are safe, even while enjoying wide, open views. Custom designs to match your style. Today's patio doors are available in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to complement your home. Traditional homes. French doors with decorative glass panels enhance charm. Modern designs. Sleek sliding doors with slim frames add contemporary elegance. Transitional spaces. Multi-panel doors create flexibility for any decor style. By choosing a design that reflects your personal taste, you can make your patio doors a focal point of your home. Adding value to your Gainesville home. Upgrading to new patio doors isn't just about aesthetics, it's also a smart investment. Buyers are drawn to homes that offer energy efficiency, security, and stylish indoor-outdoor living. Replacing your old doors with modern options boosts curb appeal, increases resale value, and sets your home apart in Gainesville's competitive housing market. Final thoughts for Gainesville homeowners. New patio doors are more than just an upgrade, they're a transformation. They bring more light into your home, connect indoor and outdoor spaces, improve energy efficiency, and enhance security while reflecting your personal style. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of French doors or the expansive views of sliding or folding doors, professional installation ensures lasting performance. With the right choice, your patio doors will make your home brighter, safer, and more enjoyable, perfect for the Gainesville lifestyle.